Hi guys, so you're going to open up your Way Cool keyboarding book to page 27. So go ahead and find that. This is called In a Trance. So last week we did a song called Cool Down, and this song is actually the same thing as In a Trance, except this time we have our E flat, which makes it a little bit different. So where your hands are placed on the piano, it's right in the middle. We have thumb on C. And the only difference you have here is your third finger, your middle finger, is not going to be on the white key letter E. It'll be on E flat. So that's the only thing that changes between Cool Down and In a Trance. The left hand is exactly the same. The right hand movements are the same. The only difference is you're not going to be pressing on the white key. You'll be pressing on the black key named E flat. So I'm going to go ahead and play that for you so you can hear what it sounds like. And if you want to play with me together, let's try it together. Finger 3 is first with CG. 1, 2, ready, go. Our C2 chords up here, it doesn't always stay B flat, it changes back to C and G. No, that was a trouble point for us last time. So if you look at the very top, we have our C chord and a C with a little M next to it. That's going to be called C minor. So we have our C chord and our C minor chord. Here you have what it looks like on the piano. You have C, E, and G. And on the other side, you have C, E flat, G. So the only difference you see here is the E that we've gone through before. On top of that, you have the way the C chord looks like on the staff on both sides. So that way when we start doing other parts of it and you start seeing this on the staff, this is the chord that's going to be written there for you. So now what I want to go over are the chords on top. So we have our C minor chord. We actually won't be using the C chord for this song. It's just here as reference so you can see the difference between the regular C and C minor. But for now, we won't be using this. We'll be sticking to C minor. So if you see the top, we have our C minor chord, a couple of slashes, C sus, down to C minor, back to C2, and then all of that just repeats and it ends with C minor. So don't forget, the slashes is the down point where you replay the same chord. So if you notice in the first measure, I'm going to go ahead and cover the other one next to it up. We only have 2 slashes, which means you're going to hold these 2 for 2 beats. So you have C minor, and again within the same measure. So I know you guys know these chords, so we're going to go ahead and just play the song through, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the chord with you. So I'm going to move it up one more section. I'm not going to stay in the middle. I'm just going to go higher so you can hear the difference. I'm going to play your C minor chord up there. Go ahead and play the C sus, which is just finger 4. Back to C minor. And lastly, C2. These are the only chords you'll be using for this section. So go ahead and follow your music and play along with me. C minor first. 1, 2, ready, go. All I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and play the same song again through with both hands, and I encourage you to either play with me or go ahead and play the chords on top. So at this point, I'm not going to be speaking. I'm just going to be giving you your entrance, and that way you can clearly hear the video and play along with me, either with both your hands or just the chords. If you want to mix and match and do your chords with one hand and your left hand the other, go ahead and do that. So here we go. One, two, ready, go. Okay guys, so like I said before, if you're having some kind of trouble with your fingers or which hand to use or press, please refer back to Cool Down, which is on page number 22, and it's the exact same fingering. Remember, all that changes is you're going to be using E flat instead. So if you have any problems, just come back to this video. We'll go through every finger number and everything we need, and then just come back and try this again. So I hope you guys are doing well. Go ahead and practice, and see you next time. Bye-bye.